Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create routine in Oracle Fusion application. Routines are a program set of action that sales administrator automate data hygiene and process compliance tasks to ensure teams have accurate and correct data. For example, to reduce risk and enforce data integrity, we can create routine to update the fields, send email notification, and create tasks based on the rules. So we create the rules and perform the action in the routines. So routines can help salespeople to more efficient and productive. So let's see how to create routine in sales implementation in Oracle Fusion application. So this is the homepage of the application. Click on the navigator. Scroll down in configuration part. Click on that. And click on application composer. So this is the application composer page. So in the common setup, click on this routines. It will take few seconds to open it. Now, this is the list of the routines we already created. So now we create a new one. So click on this create routine. So we have some actions, some basic details, then action, then rules, and then trigger. So step by step we create the process. We complete the process of this creating routine. So first we have insert the name of this routine. So I'm going to enter the name of this routine. So sales leads. Now let's enter the description of this routine. So I'm going to retire that leads whose whose uh, whose status is not converted. So I'm going to create routine to retire leads. Now click on next. Now we have to add some action for this routine. So let's select the object. So I'm going to select the object for this routine. Select leads, sales, lead. Now we have to select the action type. So we update the field, we can send the email, we can convert the lead, and we create the task for this lead. So right now I am update the field. So I'm selecting the field update. Now select the attribute. So I'm going to select the attribute for that status. So the status going to change to retired. So this is the action performed based on the rule. So now we have to create the rules for this action. Click on next. So we can include all of, or we can include any of the groups for this routine. Now select the attribute. So lead, creation date, since last quarter. So this is the rule where status is not equal to converted, where the status is not equal to converted. So this is the rule we created. We queued this action. So 305 match, record match for this rule. So based on this rule, the action will perform. Now click on next. So select the trigger to run the routine based on the schedule. So I'm going to select monthly by default, and you can select the daily, weekly, and yearly based on your routines. So I'm going to select this monthly and on click on this next. So this is the review page. You can review your routine. If you want to edit any of this field, any of these details, so click on this edit icon over here and click on that and edit this routine. So I'm done with my all the entries for this routine. I'm going to submit it. So routine it's created. Here you can see that the sales leads routines created, the status is active. So this is how you can create the routines, and based on this routine you can update the fields, you can send the email, and you can create the task for this leads. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.